So here I sit with my silent partner. Alan is not feeling very well this evening, so I'm stuck doing the video by myself. And I wanted to tell you a paleo story about losing weight. So I decided I'm hungry all the time because I don't have enough fat in my diet. So I tried to make a homemade mayonnaise recipe last night, and it either works or you have this soupy thin mess of egg and oil, which is what happened last night. So I tried again today, worked perfectly. I made a variation of it after that into a ranch dressing, and I put it onto a baked potato, which tasted great. So I'm going to eat all of that mayonnaise and become a shadow of my former self. Oh, and I got Jen lent me her paleo cookbook, and I found a really cool recipe for ground lamb wrapped in a grape leaf, I think, and then you bake it. I forget what those are called. There's a special Greek name, and that sounded really good. So I'm going to make that tomorrow, and hopefully Alan will be here with me tomorrow, and he'll be feeling better. And remember, there's a new Big Bang episode on tonight.